Yeah. Word. Love. Word. Shit got a little dark and I lack, despite hype. But for the most part, I'm back like Ice Spice. Thought I had seen it all for a fact. But I spy niggas thinking we in the same bracket. They type right like the interview with Snoop and DC Young Fly. Never mind the truth, it ain't much room. Have fun guys, my demise comes seldom. Been in LA for a year and my peers shaking in fear, not giving me warm welcomes. Fine, tell them it's cool sport. Niggas really upset about such a stretch. The best rapper out west, a nigga from New York, nigga. The best is not y'all, by far. I missed a big step, but it ain't beyond morale to see I'm still top dog, for real, nigga. Yeah, bitch, she wanna deal with him, dick so bomb within a month's time. She think it's still in her, now you pissed too whip, thinking I'm still in her, pissed too whip, still in her. If I'm being real with you, by the grace of God, my shit ain't dropped. For y'all's sake, the love be low, but hey y'all, no Andre, I put 3 stacks on myself against any nigga y'all say. It ain't a Uber ride to y'all, but I'm sending them y'all way. You off the yay, cause you wish I'm letting your words slide. I'm a Cancer nigga, hella emotional, worst kind. East Coast nigga, figure it's about time we ride for ours. Lest you Brittany Griner, chances you gon' die behind these bars. Lord.